The ultimate guide to remote jobs in 2024. Find your dream work from anywhere career. The remote work landscape has evolved significantly in recent years, and 2024 is expected to be a game changer. With the rise of digital nomadism, remote work is no longer a niche option, but a mainstream career choice. 63% of employees worldwide are working remotely at least one day a week. 75% of companies plan to adopt remote work full-time. The remote job market is expected to grow by 50% in 2024. How to find remote jobs, websites and platforms. Remote.co, FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, job boards, Indeed, Glassdoor, LinkedIn Jobs, professional networks, attend virtual events and join online communities. Remote job types and industries. Software development, IT and data analysis. Customer service, marketing and sales, writing, design and creative roles. Healthcare, finance and education. Remote work benefits and challenges. Benefits: increased productivity, flexibility, work-life balance. Challenges: communication barriers, isolation, lack of social interaction. Best practices for remote work. Establish a dedicated workspace. Set clear boundaries with family and friends. Prioritize communication and collaboration. Stay organized and manage your time effectively. Tips for success: be flexible and adaptable. Build a strong online presence. Develop a growth mindset. Stay connected with colleagues and friends. In conclusion, the remote job market is expected to continue growing in 2024. With the right strategies and mindset, you can find your dream work from anywhere career. Whether you're a digital nomad or just looking for flexibility, this guide will help you navigate the remote job landscape and achieve success.